The Rivers State chapter of the All Progressive Congress don't call for state of emergency for Rivers State sake of the ongoing issues for the state. Caretaker Committee Chairman of the party for the state, Tony Okocha, for one talk with Tori people for Port Harcourt, come allege say the state dey at war and the party no dey part of the ongoing war for the state. E come allege say crime and unrest don return to the state sake of the governor's refusal to conduct the local government elections. E come still talk say the appointment of caretaker chairmen to handle the affairs of the local government council dey against the rule of law.
When the council chairmen, so to speak, as far as we are concerned, illegal council chairmen, because again, who screened them? 3 assembly members. When the Supreme Court had made a decision on that matter somewhere, some time ago, when it concerns a governor, in Plateau State, Supreme Court said, what one thought is, it's not about the people who are sitting, it's about the majority of members of the assembly. What we have in this state today is a situation where we have 3 assembly members. One is speaker, the other one is deputy speaker. Maybe the other one is majority leader, because there must be a majority leader to sponsor bills of government. That's what we have. Isn't that illegality? You can see that the man is thriving in illegality. So we are in trouble in the state. We are in a state of war, and because the governor is unteachable, and because the governor does not listen to counsel, even the counsel of Mr. President, APC Rivers State that I represent today is demanding for a state of emergency in Rivers State. It is the way out so that you and I will live in peace. And I have said so because it will be too late to cry when the head is off. The reasons for war, full-blown, the indices of war, full-blown, are palpable, they are clear. So the federal government should do what they should do to ensure that this anarchical situation in Rivers State does not degenerate to a situation where we will be seeing fire everywhere. Noting again that the importance of the state in terms of our economy. If Rivers State is aflame, our economy as a country will dwindle. And so they must make hay while the sun shines. Let the army be deployed to take over strategic places. Let this moribund and exponential government be sent to the abyss.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Rivers State, Ekata Ojisele, TMC TV News.